Time to make a tiered tassel. They look really cool on these tulle hats. We're using this handy dandy clover tassel maker and our yarn. So we start here, pull it under the end, and you wrap. And I like to wrap mine a same number of times around, so I get the same size tassel for each hat. So each side of the ear flap. 13, 14, 15 times, and then you pull the end through this side here. You want to clip? We need something to work with. So lining up my arrows, I got the center top, pull it tight, and it's right in line with the arrow, and you can see the yarn right with the arrows. Flip it over, tie it again. Right over left, square knot, tie it again. Now my tip is you want to hold one end of the tassel here and cut the other side. Now you can flip and cut. Remove it from the marker, from your holder. Now because I'm working with alpaca, this is a little slippery. So what I'm doing is tying an overhead knot right to the very tip of the tassel. And this just keeps it from opening up. So you thread your tapestry needle with the ends. We've made these extra long so that it's easy to go through, and you want to find the center and go push it right through the top of your knot. And here is where, so you can find out how much of the head or the neck that you want to show, or how long you want your tassel. This looks good to me. We have it done. And what we're going to do is just make an overhand knot with these two.